Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to share files using Quick Share on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just enable Quick Share on your both devices. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center on both devices. Now from here, just tap on Quick Share. Now if you cannot find the Quick Share icon in your control center, just tap on the Edit button, then go to Edit, and from here just select the Quick Share icon from here. Then tap on Done. Now after you add Quick Share to your control center, just tap on Quick Share. Now instead of no one, just select everyone. Then tap on Done. After that, just open the Files app on the smartphone from which you want to transfer your files. Now just go to Documents and from here just select any file which you want to share. Now just tap and hold on the file which you want to share. Now once you select the file which you want to share, just select Share. From here, just tap on Quick Share and under Recommended, you will find the signal of your other device. Just tap on it. Now on your other device, just tap on Accept. Now as you can see, we have successfully transferred our files from this smartphone to this smartphone. Now just tap on Open. Now as you can see, this is how you can share files using Quick Share on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.